I'm going to explain to you guys the static electricity lab stations for today. If you guys look, obviously you'll find this in Teams assignments. If you haven't found it already, you guys will be filling out your data directly in this PowerPoint. On your first page of your PowerPoint, you guys have a little bit of explanation. So first thing is on every slide or every station of this lab, you guys will record your observations. And then you'll also explain to me why you think you observed what you observed. So write me an explanation as to what you think is happening. Anywhere you guys see blue font, you guys will need to fill out an answer or write some kind of description. A or B, you guys are obviously doing this in class, but if you guys are an A or B cohort kiddo and you are absent today, you guys can go on and check out the instructions for DLI, which obviously are on this video. Those of you guys who are DLI or maybe gone for the day, you guys can use the video links, but also I would encourage you guys, if you have any of these items at home as I go through the labs, do them. Okay, maybe you guys have some and you can do a couple lab stations. Maybe you don't have any at all and you can't do any of these lab stations, or maybe you have a latex allergy and you can't really touch balloons anyway. Okay, I encourage you guys to get out from behind your computer. I'm sure you guys have been staring at it all day. So get out, go move around. That's why science is fun, is to be able to manipulate things and play with things and to kind of experiment with what you feel will help you learn. So this lab has 5 stations. I'm going to go through them briefly, show you guys where to find the videos, and then talk about any supplies you guys may need if you're at home and you guys actually want to do this. It's pretty fun. Okay, so station 1 is called balloon power. All you guys need for this is an empty pop can like this. Okay, and a balloon. So blow up the balloon. You guys will follow the instructions right here, and then you'll observe what happens. Write your observations right here in this blue font, and then any explanation you have for what you observed right here. If you guys don't have these supplies, you can right-click this link right here and watch what happens in this video. Okay, I'm just going to show you a second of it. I'm not going to show you the whole video. But each slide should have a link for you guys to view that's similar to this, where I do the lab for you guys and you just observe what I do. Okay? So again, write your observations, write your possible explanation as to why you saw what you saw. Okay, station 2, walling around. All you need is a wall in your house and a balloon. If you don't have a balloon, you guys, of course, can just watch the video linked here. Once you guys are done, follow the directions, write your observations of what you saw happening, and any explanation you guys have for this. Okay, station 3, if you guys have 2 plastic rulers and some wax paper and string to suspend a ruler, you guys can do this one at home. If you're confused about the setup, you guys can check out the video to see how I have it set up and then just pause and go ahead and test it yourself. Or if you don't have any of those items, you guys can just watch this video linked right here to figure out what your data should look like and make your observations. Again, write your observations, write your possible explanation. Station 4 is called bending water. All you need for this is a faucet and a balloon. Again, if you don't have a balloon, you guys can just watch this video. Either watch the video or do the lab and then write your observations and your explanations. And finally, you have station 5 is called twin balloons. So for this one, you would need 2 balloons. And you would draw an X on both of those balloons, and then you would need a string because you need to be able to suspend the string with one of the balloons on it from the ceiling or from a desk or something like that. I use a piece of fur to charge up my balloon in my hand. You guys can try it with maybe just your hair or your clothing, or if you have like a wool sweater, maybe you guys could work on that, but I know fur works really well for this one. So you guys can try that out at home if you have those items. If not, you guys can watch the video. The whole point that I'm trying to do in the video is to make the 2 X's that I've drawn on the balloons touch. Okay, so write your observations as to what you see happening and a possible explanations as to why you see that happening. If you guys have any questions, as always, let me know. Don't hesitate to reach out via Teams or Messenger or whatever the case. And when you guys are done with this, filling out on this PowerPoint, you guys can go ahead and hand it in, and I hope you all are having a wonderful day and you got a chance to get out from behind your computer and explore a little bit. Thanks, bye.